Hello Granada, I'm Hanlon O'Donnell and this is your video of Aviso for Wednesday, May 12th, 2021. Are you interested in a career in medicine? Well, the Future Medical Professionals Club has officer positions open. Go to their Instagram for more information or email them at thegranadafmp@gmail.com. Junior prom is coming soon. It will be on the Granada High School football field on Saturday, May 22nd from 6:15 to 8:30 p.m. Junior prom tickets are now on sale. They'll be on sale until Friday, May 14th. The prices are tiered, so buy them early for a discounted price. The second week, May 10th to the 14th, tickets are $65 with ASB and $70 without. Dinner will be served at the event along with dessert, beverages, live entertainment, and more. Buy your ticket at the student services or online through the web store today. Guests from Livermore schools only are eligible to attend. We accept cash, check, or credit for payment. The CSF will have a fundraiser on May 22nd at your nearest Panda Express. Use the coupon code 903627 during online checkout. Online orders are only accepted. For more information, click the link in the description to the flyer. Seniors, Jostin will be on campus in the student parking lot on Tuesday, May 11th to distribute caps and gowns. This will be assigned times based on last names. The list will be posted on the website and will be also emailed. The LDS Church Life Skills class and Just Serve are partnering to help a local family who just lost their home in a recent fire. The youngest son is a senior at Granada High School. The donation drop-off will be in the front of the Granada High School. We need helpers on Thursday, May 13th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. and Saturday, May 15th at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Come join the 2021 to 2022 Color Guard team. Everyone is welcome. You don't need previous experience. Contact at Granada Guard on Instagram for more information. They would love to have you join their community. The senior class has been asked to select staff members that have been instrumental in their success. The black and gold cords will be awarded to 10 staff members at our senior awards event. These staff members will also wear black and gold cords during the graduation ceremony. Seniors may nominate up to 3 staff members by Friday, May 7th. The nomination form has been emailed to all seniors. Now here's Baking with Dylan. Dylan. That's all for today, Granada. I'm Hamlin, and this has been your video of Aviso for Wednesday, May 12th. Be safe and stay classy.